Oh my gosh, this is so good. You have to make room for dessert.
Known for its fantastic climate, beautiful beaches, and amazing views, Nice, France is definitely a place one should visit. But more importantly, it has a growing vegan food scene, and I'm going to show you what they got.
I'm here at a restaurant called Utopia. It is a 100% vegan Italian restaurant. This is somewhere you want to go, especially with this Mediterranean flair here with the coast. This is some kind of dining that you want to have. They have lunch and dinner. The menu is small, but they have a seasonal menu and they also have an everyday menu. The owner is Italian and she's been vegan for 10 years, so that was the inspiration behind it. So of course you're gonna know there's a lot of love in this food, like all Italian food. Today I've decided to go with their seasonal menu, so let's try this. So my starter has arrived and it's this beautiful cheese platter. It comes with bread and little breadsticks and a beautiful salad. I'm so excited to eat this. First, I'm going to start with this beautiful salad. So look at this, that's a little snail on top. The whipped cheese they have here has a great flavor. It's not overpowering. So they have 3 types of cheeses. One of them is like a whipped ricotta. The other one is a collaboration with marmalade végétale, which looks like a blue cheese, very delicious. And then they have their take on a Parmesan, which of course doesn't have the same texture as Parmesan, but all of these flavors are really good. I love that they also serve the cheese with this marmalade that goes beautifully with it. Highly recommend to try this dish. So I have my main dish now, and it is the ravioli, and I must say it's not exactly what I was expecting because it's like in a soup, which is nice because it's December. You can imagine how comforting a nice warm broth is. Let me try this. That flavor on this broth is so heartwarming. It is so good. So full of flavor, so earthy. Let me try some of this ravioli now. The ravioli is made with a house-made cheese. The texture on the pasta is great. The ravioli and broth are seasoned with leeks and aromatic herbs. It really gives a great flavor. Like, it's super soothing. The dishes are elegantly plated. It's not your low-cost everyday restaurant. Like, you can tell they put a lot of effort into these dishes. Definitely worth it though. Another pasta dish that they have here that's worth coming back for is a vegan carbonara with smoked tofu. When else can you get that? And for dessert, I've ordered the chocolate orange tart. Wonderful combination, always goes well. Excited to try it. The base of the orange cream is soy, and then the cake is almond flour. Look how ooey gooey. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so good. You have to make room for dessert. This is amazing. That orange cream is beautifully made. They've done a great job at this dessert. You know it's good when I do my happy dance. Alright, now it's time to see some sights.
First, I walked through Massena Square and then made my way through the boardwalk for the best part, the French Riviera. One thing you have to do is climb up the Castle Hill of Nice, where you will be rewarded with beautiful views you won't want to miss. Next, I walked through the old town where you can do some shopping for tea and trinkets or some street food such as soca, a naturally vegan snack made of chickpea flour, water, and olive oil. It was so good. The next morning, it was time for some vegan breakfast.
So I'm here at Amore Patisserie, and it's a sister restaurant to Vegan Gorilla, another popular vegan restaurant here in Nice. And they're dedicated to just like breakfast and pastries and coffee, which is of course something you want early morning. It has a really cute cafe feel. And another cool thing that they have here is that they sell vegan products within the patisserie. So they have like vegan cheeses, some seasonings, some textured soy. Let's say you want to go on a picnic because Cannes and Monaco are so close. Or even if you want to just go on the beach, you can buy your vegan cheese products here, some tapenades at the store, a baguette, and you're good. I have my coffee here. They have golden milk lattes and matcha lattes as well. So they serve brunch until 3 p.m. So I've ordered a tofu scramble that, as you can see, has beautiful yellow color. It comes with pancakes, olives, mushrooms. Okay, let's try this. The flavor is so good. The olives give it such a good touch. I love that it comes with a pancake, so you can kind of like wrap it up kind of like a little crepe. The only thing is the mushrooms aren't grilled. Other than that, The flavor is very good. And then of course, I'm gonna treat myself to some pastries. And so the one I got today is called Amor, and it's like a chocolate coffee. And then the base is almond, and you can tell that it's sweetened with dates. The chocolate coffee mousse that's on top has a great texture. It's very smooth. The thing I love about these desserts is that you can tell that they're healthy. You don't get like a spike in sugar rush. They're very filling, very good for you, but you still get your sweet tooth fix. Overall, this is a great place to get your organic vegan breakfast, and it's gluten-free, so everyone can eat here and enjoy.
Afterward, I visited the iconic market Corsalea, where you can find all the produce and treats you can dream of. Perfect picnic material.
So now I'm at Bada Boom because they have organic juices, and you know it's good to do a good juice detox. And I'm gonna take it with me on the go because I'm going to Monaco this afternoon. But Bada Boom also sells organic bowls, acai bowls, so it's a good choice.
To get to Monaco, you have a great scenic route option that only costs €2. Bus 100 takes you along the coast, and duration is approximately 35 minutes. Known as the Billionaire's Playground, Monaco is a tiny city-state famous for its lavish wealth, casinos, and glamorous events, so I couldn't resist making the trip to see it. Well, that's a wrap. Hope you have a chance to visit Nice soon, and when you do, make sure you eat your way through the vegan food scene. If you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Au revoir!